Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Aries. So, yung reading natin is career and love reading. Take only what resonates para ito sa buwan ng May going to June 2024. Take only what resonates. So, mga gusto mo pa personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, siya yung open sa personal reading. Friend ko yun, guys. Hindi po ako yun. Pa-comment na lang po sa baba, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. And yeah, sana pa-like na lang rin ang video, pa-subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, pahit ang notification bell. So, eto na lang po yung ating reading. Simulan na natin. Isang shuffle na lang. Sana makuha ko yung energy mo. Okay, Aries. Career. For Aries, pagdating sa kanilang career. Ay, hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Aries. The Hierophant is here. Major Arcana. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Oh, wow. Sorry, this is the Seven of Cups. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. Six of Swords. And the Ace of Cups. Ayan, ito na yung Ace of Cups talaga. The Emperor is at the bottom of the deck. Wait lang, guys. May mga langgam kasi dito sa aking table. Ayan. Anyway, nakakita tayo dito ng Nine of Pentacles. This is success. This is, like, big win. Or might be, ikaw ay mapapansin talaga ng marami eh. With the Seven of Cups, maybe you are someone na magaling, you are artistic, or someone na malikhain, or you are very creative person. Ngayon, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao ng ganun, I can see a new beginning for you, or maybe something na magagawa mo or gagawain mo na talagang magbibigay ng success para sa'yo. So, ito yung time na dapat ilabas mo talaga yung pagiging artistic mo, yung pagiging malikhain mo, yung pagiging magaling mo with the Hierophant. Kasi I feel like hindi ito yung tipo ngayon mo palang aaralin, no? I can see that this is something na meron ka na, maybe natutunan mo na in the past, or alam mo na kung paano gagawin, and you have to use this para magkaroon ng success for you. Kasi nakikita kita magiging successful eh. With the Six of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, kung ano yung hindi masyadong nag-workout, kailangan mong mag-move on doon. Okay? And yung iba sa inyo, may mga ways or may mga bagay kang kailangan baguhin sa sarili mo. Some of you, ito yung mga bagay, yan, I can see some kind of blast dito sa picture, and it looks like a tower moment. It looks like something na dapat mong i-end, which is hindi makakabuti para sa'yo. No? Some of you, may kinalaman yun sa health mo, or may kinalaman yun sa maybe mga hobbies mo or gawain mo na dapat mong tapusin. Kasi hindi naman yun nakakatulong for you. The Ace of Cups is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Pag inilabas mo to, a lot of people would admire you. Ayan. Lahat sila mapapahanga mo and mapapawaw mo. Kaya ilabas mo yung artistic na ability mo na yan. Whether ito ay sa career, sa business, or in everything that you do. Kasi I feel like you're really good at it. Magaling ka talaga dito sa bagay nito. So ito yung time na dapat ilabas mo yan. Makukuha mo yung paghanga, pagmamahal, atensyon ng ibang tao. You do have here the Emperor at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, I can see you building something, maybe your own empire. And magaling ka dito with the Strength card. Ngayon, ilabas mo ito. No? Kung ano man yung mga dapat mong i-end dito, maybe addiction, maybe hobbies talaga na hindi okay para sa'yo. And then, nakakita tayo ng growth pagdating sa money for you, of course, pag nilabas mo itong sinabi ko. Kasi of course, yung future mo, ikaw pa rin may hawak niyan. Pero hindi ko mo sinabi kung swerte ka, may pera ka in the future, ay talagang dadating na lang at hihintayin mo na lang dumating. Of course, kailangan mo pa rin trabahuan. Kailangan mo pa rin dumiskarte. Kailangan mo pa rin ilabas yung kakayahan mo. You know? Kasi, ipinanganak tayo dito sa mundo. No? Hindi lahat ipinanganak may pera. Pero tayo, pinanganak tayo dito, merong ibinigay sa ating skills, may ibinigay sa ating, um, yung lakas ng pakiramdam, yan, yung ganyan. That is the thing na kailangan mong gamitin in order for you na ma-achieve itong Ten of Pentacles, which is money, this is what you want. This is your goals, this is your wishes, this is success. Para ma-achieve mo to, kailangan ilabas mo din talaga yung mga bagay na ibinigay sa'yo. And the way I see this, ito inborn ito. Some of you, malakas ang charisma mo. Isa pa ito sa kailangan mong gamitin. Huwag mo itago. Kasi yung iba, hindi, gusto ko simple lang ako etc. Ganto ganyan. Okay, simple ka. Simple ka talaga manamit. Pero there are occasions na kailangan mo rin mag-dress up. Babae man or lalaki. May mga okasyon na kailangan mo pa rin mag-ayos. No? Hindi dahil pinangangatawanan mong simple ka, etc. It's not for you only, no? It's for you to attract itong mga, itong mga tao na pwedeng makakontribute para makuha mo yung success para sa'yo, no? Yung para mapansin ka. Hindi naman sa gusto mo talaga magpapansin, pero kailangan minsan, medyo kailangan mo rin mag-ayos, ganyan, magsuot ng iba kaysa dun sa usual mong sinusuot, para mapansin ka. And then, hindi mo alam, itong palang taong kausap mo na ngayon or kaharap mo na ngayon ay siya pala yung makakatulong sa'yo para makipag-start up ng business, you know what I mean? So, dahil napansin ka niya, ikaw yung kinausap niya, etc. So, may mga ganon. Ilabas mo yan. Huwag may tago. Anyway, kasi more on advice yung nakita natin dito. Dahil meron ka ng inborn talaga na kagalingan na kailangan mo na lang ipakita sa mundo. Now, let's move on to your love reading. Nakita ko ng Aquarius. I don't know if you're dealing with an Aquarius or maybe meron kang Aquarius sa iyong chart, natal chart. Check mo yung natal chart mo. This is for Aries. May to June 2024. Career and love reading. Love reading na tayo. Messages for Aries. The Star, the Queen of Wands. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, marami pong pagpasensyaan mo na, maraming langgam sa aking table ngayon. I don't know. Maybe may matamis ditong nakikita sila. Six of Swords, Six of Wands. Okay. I can see a person with the Queen of Wands. Itong person nito pwedeng nagbibigay na siya ng advice sa'yo. Maybe financial advice. Six of Swords. This could be a person in the past. Pero, yung iba, a new person New person or past person, it doesn't matter. Pero itong person na ito with the Star, gusto ka niya, crush ka niya, parang gano'n. Gusto niya, nakikita niya sa'yo. Medyo pangit lang yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. Medyo insecure. But this person is really admiring you, no? Sa iyong photos, the way you look, the way you handle yourself, everything about you. Lalo na kung nagpo-post ka or recently lang nagpost ka ng pictures or what. Talagang gusto niya to, na mga nakikita niya sa'yo. Ngayon, itong person na ito, yan o, the Empress. This is you. This is how this person sees you. Talagang matindi yung paghanga niya, pagkagusto niya. With the Devil, Capricorn energy. Yung iba sa inyo may attitude. May attitude pero hindi niya to nakikita or wala siyang pakialam dito, you know. Either ikaw ay nag-attitude na sa kanya or alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw ay talagang may ugali. So, bakit niya ako magugustuhan, ganito, ganyan, etc. Anyway, let's get more cards. Pagdating sa love. King of Wands. Wow, the Fool. The Moon. Some of you, this is a soulmate energy. Ngayon, with the Seven of Wands. Four of Wands is here. Actually, this could be the person na meant for you. Siya yung dapat na person na para sa'yo. But, yan, no, nakakita tayo ng stability dito sa person na ito. Magmamatch kayo ng energy eh. But, with the Eight of Swords, some of you, may mga nakita kong Aries could be stuck in a situation. But, yan, nakikita natin na there's love coming from this person. Ngayon, sayang eh. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede may feelings ka din and this person loves you and kailangan lang magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago. Three of Swords. Some of you, there's a third party situation here. So, kahit may third party, this person still likes you. Gusto ka pa rin niya. May soulmate energy with the High Priestess. And yeah, the King of Cups is here. Yan. So, you know, and the Queen of Wands, King of Wands, tapos the high chance this is a soulmate connection. Gusto ka nitong taon to, lagi ka niya iniisip, but kailangan gumawa ng changes or malaking pagbabago para makapasok siya sa buhay mo. And yeah, nahihirapan siya, hindi niya alam kung saan yung way out or paano niya ilalabas ang feelings or emotions niya sa'yo, especially if there's someone na involved, pero willing mag-take ng risk itong taong ito para sa'yo. Well, hindi niya sure kung ikaw ba ay willing ka mag-take ng risk sa kanya. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.